Sometimes some places feel a little more sore or shorter than others. And that's fine because we're moving stuff that haven't been moved in a while. You just put some 3-in-1 oil, WD-40, get things moving better. Again. Excellent. Beautiful. Perfect. In. Beautiful. Lift your chin. There we go. How was your first adjustment?
Well, it feels like intense.
Scared?
No, like
Yeah.
I'm kind of like
Nervous.
It's not the first time. Like,
Ah, okay.
Like yeah, it happens to me a few times.
Okay. Ready, Freddy.